Astra Ace 1.4 engine, timing chain, camshaft screw, ball and camshaft timing system. Tensioner 10 Torx screw. Lead slider screw is 6 or 7. Array slider 230 Torx screw. Sproket ball Torx 12. The air gasket ball are 12 Torx ball too. Facing tall side, the camshaft tail lobe look inward. Sproket side, the teeth lobe look outward. There are several undercuts in the camshaft for introduce the branch. One undercut in the mission camshaft and another or several undercuts in the exhaust camshaft. A mission camshaft. And this is all. Thank you for hearing this video. Have a good day.